Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes
Waiting for a love like this.
every time
We say goodbye. I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you. I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right
Jim and
here,
Joy,
right now.
standing here today, you are surrounded by your family, your friends who love you, support you, are here to celebrate this wonderful day with you as you renew your marriage and take the first steps into the brand new future that God has for you, and that is an exciting future. You're going to share your commitments one another. In fact, you have written out of your own hearts what you wanted to share with each other on this occasion. And so, Jim, share with Joy.
My beautiful Joy, I was looking at the traditional wedding vows to have and to hold, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do us part. I stand here before you and everyone in this room to tell you that I came to profound realization of the undeniable truth. Joy, you are my love. You are and have always been. I want and I am going to share the rest of my life with you on this journey to the fullest. I recommit my original vows to you with two more that I've added. One, I promise to be the man God intended for you, to honor God's precious daughter that He has so blessed me with. I can't imagine life without you. Obviously, neither could God. And two, in the words of the greatest two Greek philosophers that ever lived, Nico J. Broutsos, spoken on his wedding day before all his loved ones, and the second, Dimitri Tujos, spoken at a fierce tournament of Texas Hold'em, Joy, my precious Joy, I'm all in.
So, Jim, my handsome, the love of my life, I'm so grateful to be standing here today and for this second chance to be your wife. You are an amazing man, and I just adore you. You make me feel so special. You make me smile. You make me laugh. I cherish every moment that we're together. I'm so proud to be your girl. Thank you for being so sincere and real. And thank you for your protection and faithfulness to our family. Thank you for being you. And thank you for asking me on that date to the Botanic Gardens a year and a half ago. Today and every day for the rest of my life, I fully commit myself to you. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to honor and respect you. I promise to care for you and support you. I promise to pray for you and encourage you. I promise to stand by your side during the best times and the hardest times, no matter what.
Thank you.
We've grown up together through the years. We've learned so much about ourselves and each other along the way, but the biggest thing we've learned is that we're better together, just as God intended us to be. It's me and you. I'm so excited to be walking into our future together, side by side, hand in hand. I'm completely yours.
So Jim, as you place this ring on Joy's finger, I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. You can go ahead and place it there, all right? Joy, I give you this ring
Joy, I give you this ring
as the symbol of my commitment
as the symbol of my commitment
to the promises I have made to you.
to the promises that I have made to you.
Jim, I give you this ring
Jim, I give you this ring
as the symbol of my commitment
as the symbol of my commitment
to the promises I have made to you.
to the promises I have made to you.
Well, Jim and Joy, you've made your promises to each other in the Lord's presence and in the presence of your families, your friends, and we're all happy for you today. It's a major, wonderful day, and it is it's a new beginning with a brand new future. And so it's my privilege to pronounce you at this time husband and wife. And Jim, you may kiss your bride.
All right.
We get almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody